Right guys, we just received the Aprilia motorbike. We're gonna strip the whole motorbike and paint all the plastics in the tank in the midnight purple. As you can see, it's white, black and silver at the moment, but we're gonna change the look of the motorbike. It's gonna look a completely different motorbike. So that's pretty much, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching.
You stare out your window, hoping that you'll come up with some words to say. That's not okay. When you feel like you're fed up with heartbreak, and you know that you can't take another day, well, that's not okay. Never
guys, and that's the Aprilia motorbike done. It looks absolutely amazing, completely different. We painted midnight to purple. It's beautiful, it's got pearl on it. So took us 2 full days to get this motorbike done and prepared. We stripped it, we prepared, we painted, we fitted back on, also did the sun visor for him. What a great start for 2019. So we started with a motorbike. So that's pretty much done, guys. I'm gonna get it out, let you guys see it, and I hope you guys enjoy it.